Oh, shit. Wait a minute.
That goes up for like 10 minutes.
Guys, I can fucking kill myself. Oh, fucking good night. No mistakes for me. Fuck my life.
What you got there? Reload like I have reloaded. I killed it. Whatever. Whatever. And I don't even get a chance to come out of the doorway, so the little bitch is still sitting there contemplating their fire. But I did my part. I don't know how many flags I capped and took them. I defended whatever. But the guy over other than how the fuck did he die? And he kills me. That's bullshit. I shot him in the back 9 times. He jumped out the window. You know he got injured. Cause I know if I jump out the window, if he gets shot one time, I'm dead. But he jumps down and then he just died. He kills me. That's bullshit. Well, maybe 2. But certain individuals. What the fuck? And I'm not. It's not the game that's pissing me off. This stupid connected to broadband connection is interrupting my goddamn commentary. Now, why in his name time living in my process? Don't guess what you pay your fucking job right in the moment.